Let's start. Today we will see how to implement icons in the CSS. We can download icons from various sources like Bootstrap, Font Awesome, Google, etc. In this tutorial, we will see how to download and implement icons from Google APIs. In the head tag, write this meta tag. This meta tag will make this HTML document responsive. Then, write this Google APIs link. We will download our icons from this link. In the body tag, we have some paragraph tags. To download icons from the Google APIs, first, write the class name as material-icons. Then write the name of the icon like this. This name will decide which icon will be downloaded from the Google APIs. Also, we can style the icon like this. Here we have defined the size and color of the icon. Let's run this code in the browser. As you can see, we have downloaded and implemented the icons from the Google API. Also, we have changed the icon size and color. But where can we get the list of such icons? For that, search the Google APIs icon. And click this link. On this page, click the Material Icons Library link. On this page, select the Material Icons option from the drop-down menu. Here you can select the various icon styles. And here you can see the list of the icons. An important point to be noted here is that while using these icons on our web page, always write the icon name in small letters. So that's it. That's how you can implement icons in CSS. Thank you.